Hey everybody, it's that time again. It is time for the 2025 Virtual Makers Retreat. This year, my three amazing educators, one being myself, the other two being Amanda Stevens from Pear Blossom Press, and the third one is Jennifer Perkins from right here in Austin, Texas. We're each teaching 3 or more classes, and let's start with Amanda first. Each one of her classes is utilizing one of her wonderful products that are all about interactive cards. Let me show you the first one. You're gonna learn how to put together this super cute card, which is a candlelight. You turn it on, and then you blow it out. Another project of hers is a super cute card with Trinity stamps with this wobble action. I love this. This is so much fun. I get to sit this and wobble this for hours. And her third project is this cute card with her new snaps. These just got released and you get to play with them. This is what allows this cool spinner action in the middle of this card. And look at that fun little snowscape and that cutie little rabbit. So adorable. And the last card is so super cute. This one is with Rabbit Hole Designs and of course Pear Blossom Press's Twinkle Lights. Look how super cute this is, and you get to learn how to assemble one of these cards. So those are Amanda's classes. They are so much fun. We're going to talk about how to buy your ticket and all that stuff in a second, but first let's jump into the classes that I'm going to teach. So you know me in sublimation, I absolutely love sublimation. So we are going to be sublimating a keychain. This is just one of the options that you can do with your keychain, but this is one of the coloring sheets, and it's an exclusive coloring sheet that you get from me to make one of these keychains. Along with the coloring sheets, you also get an exclusive design that you can use to make your tote bag. Now there's plenty of options for what you can do with your tote bag. This is just one of them. You can also do some really cool designs, like this cool design that my daughter made, or this cool like bokeh effect that I made. Look how fun that is. We're also using chroma paints, and we're doing a couple of different projects using chroma paints. First one is a watercolor bookmark using a mister. It is so much fun. That is just one version. And then we're also making cards using that as well. And the next project that we're using chroma paints is we're making a freeform art panel. We're going to be playing around with the different colors of paints. We have craft paints, we have watercolor paints, we have also glitter paints, and we're going to be making just a freeform, let your heart pour into your art panel and having some fun with designs, and also for some Stencil One stencils. Next up, we have the most recent release of Arden Design Studios, the most recent Katie Petite Arden Studios Christmas line. I absolutely love it. And we are going to be making a tag, a mixed media tag, a cute Christmas card. And lastly, my book, my Christmas book. This is my 12 Wishes Christmas book. Each page is jam-packed full of tons of ideas. You get all the products that you need to do all of these. In this class, you're going to get step by step, can't talk, about how to do every single one of these pages. Look, it just keeps going. And if you're noticing, we have our 12 Wishes of Christmas. It just keeps going. We have double pages, we have single pages. Look at it all. Oh, that's the end. And lastly, we have Jennifer Perkins with 3 of her amazing classes. She is teamed up also with Stencil One, and her class is creating these super adorable little felt snails. They are so awesome. Everybody gets a little bit of a different color, and you get to work with a little bit of stenciling and painting and making these stuffed snail ornaments. You also are going to be learning how to do bookbinding, and the special technique by using the watercolor, and the special calligraphy paper is so awesome from Japan. And you're going to be doing bookbinding, and together you're going to be making this super adorable little book. And lastly, you're going to be doing these amazing painted beads, and you get to learn how to make these really cool, fun, colorful beads that you can use to wear as a necklace or as a keychain or whatever you want to use the beads for. I've talked about all the amazing classes that we're going to have at this event. Did you see all the projects that we're creating from all of our instructors? They are amazing. Now let me talk about the kits. The kit includes all the products you need to create the projects. For each class, you get a kit jam-packed full of all the supplies, and I mean all the supplies, stencils and stuff included, paint included, and all the bits and pieces that you need to create the projects. The only supplies you need from home are things like glue, a paintbrush, and scissors. Maybe a paper trimmer if you want it. And your box doesn't just include items for the kids, you also get an amazing swag bag. And yes, that swag bag is also your sublimation tote bag. So it kind of all goes together. So there's 2 ways to join the retreat. First is purchase your retreat ticket, which includes all the classes, all the downloadables, all of the SVG files, all of the digital everything. And the second way is to purchase not only the retreat, but also the kit. And the kit includes all of the amazing supplies that you need in order to do all of the classes that we have at the retreat. So which one are you gonna pick? I think kit's best. But keep in mind, there are only so many kits that are available, and when they're gone, they are gone. And just as a heads up, the first 11 people that order the retreat kits get the 2025 Make It Retreat apron. You want an apron? Order fast because they're gonna go pretty quick. New for 2025 are our mystery boxes. This is brand new, and one of the things that is definitely in every one of the mystery boxes is a retreat apron. That is in there. There is also going to be some other fun swag that is exclusive just to the mystery boxes. And just as a heads up, there's only 7 of them. And when they're gone, they're gone. So just to show you a couple of the fun things that might be in your box, every box is a little bit different, so I cannot guarantee you're going to get exactly this, but you will get the apron. Some amazing chroma paint. Again, you might get different colors, same colors, you might get even more. Kits from the retreat. You're not going to get every single kit from every class, but you might get some random kits. This might be one of them, and this might be one of them too. With all the fun goodies inside of here. Yeah, it's Arden Studios. Extra fun crafty supplies. Oh, and maybe a special little something from Trinity Stamps. Goodie bag full of tons of Trinity Stamp goodies. And that's just the tip of the iceberg of what's in the mystery boxes. So snag one now before they are all gone. Remember, there's only 7. But don't we all love something for free? You can join us for all of the sponsored videos, and there's giveaways that go along with that, along with all the other fun giveaways that go along with the retreat. You can join us for the updates and giveaways videos every day, and also our kickoff party and our closing party. There's tons of giveaways, there's tons of coupons, we have loads of sponsored videos that you can be a part of, and all of that is free and there's no ticket needed. Just jump on my website, check out the schedule, and jump on the videos that you want to be a part of. If you do want to get updates to be a part of that, make sure you join my newsletter, and that way you can be a part of all of that fun goodness of all the free event for the retreat. But if you're wanting to buy a ticket for the retreat, or if you'd like to buy a ticket and a kit, make sure you click the link below, and that way you can grab your ticket today. All right, so what you waiting for? See you there.